Namaste. Welcome to today's yoga tips. I decided to have a little fun today because this tip is all about honoring your inner child. And I thought with this little friend here sitting almost on my shoulder and the sparklies falling down from the top of this video, it would be a great way to remind you to honor that inner child. And for me, when I was growing up, I absolutely loved going down in the basement and putting the records on the record player and listening to those records for hours on end. Usually I was doing some sort of craft or something else with the music, but every so often I'd get up and dance around the room. So for me, music reminds me of my inner child. And as recently as yesterday, I might do it again later today. I think I need it, is to just put on a great song and belt it out at the absolute top of my lungs and not really worry about whether it sounds good or any of that perfectionist junk that comes up. So the invitation is to today take a few moments and do something that reminds you of when you were younger. And I know for some people that can be a very difficult task. And if that's your deal, scroll on by, it's fine. Today, again, is to honor that inner child who really wants to be loved and seen. Be well, and I'll see you all again soon.